Good afternoon to everyone. I am G. Vijay Kumar, pursuing BA graduation first year. From the Department of History, we have chosen topic Professor Jayashankar. As a part of Jignasa study project in this academic year of 2023-2024. Here we go by the slides. Introduction. So, Kottapalli Jayashankar, also known as Professor Jayashankar Sir, he was an Indian activist who was a leading ideologue of Telangana. He fought for the separate state of Telangana from the beginning of 1952. He often stated unequal distribution of river water, the root cause of the separate Telangana state. He was a former Vice Chancellor of Kakatiya University and an activist in the separate state of Telangana movement. He also known as Father of Telangana and ideologue of Telangana. How we treat Mahatma Gandhi as Father of Nation, we treat him as Father of Telangana. He was born in Akampet village, Atmakur Mandal, Warangal, in the state of Hyderabad, at present Telangana. His parents were Lakshmikanta Rao and Mahalakshmi, who belongs to the Vishwakarma community. He did his schooling in Hanmakonda and Warangal. He did his MA Economics at Benares Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University. He also completed his PhD in Economics at Usmania University and he did B.Ed at Usmania University in Hyderabad. He was born on August 6, 1934. From here and there, it will be continued by our team member.
I am D. Sai Kumar, student of BA third year. Now I am going to explain this topic, Life of Professor Jayashankar. During the Nizam rule in Hyderabad state, it was mandatory for all schools to sing a song or sing the Nizam. When the headmaster of the Markandis High School in Hanmakonda asked his students to sing the song Jayashankar, then a class 6th student defined the rule and sang Vande Mataram. His biography is Udvari Muchada, written by Kombeli Venkat Gaur, was released by K. Chandrasekhar Rao and other prominent personalities. It will be continued by my next team member.
I am Srivani, I am student of BA second year, Telangana movement. As a young student of intermediate, Jayashankar walked out of his class in protest against the state reorganization in 1952. He also started a bus to participate in 1952 military agitation. In 1962, he was a part of Champion which rocked the region. He joined the movement separate Telangana state in 1952 when he was a student leader. As a lecturer in 1968, he participated in revived agitation. He carried out of his struggle for Telangana through research, academic studies and by the education people in the cause. He is known as the original Telangana ideologue. He led several agitations since 1962, transforming into a mass movement in 1969 agitation. He started with non-milky, go back, idli, sambar, go back movement. He wanted the Puri Matar to populate the stand for Telangana. In 1969, Jayashankar formed a strong team with about 10 members in consultation with the Professor Ravada Satyanaraya to contribute as intellectuals during the fight for Telangana and not to be silent spectators anymore. Professor Jayashankar then started Telangana Janasabha. It was banned by the Indian government. He authored many articles, research papers in English, Telugu and in various aspects of the Telangana problem. He was an instrumental in forming Telangana Development Forum in 1999. He was invited by the American Telugu Association to speak with the regional problems of these parties in Andhra Pradesh in July 2002 and July 2002. It was Jayashankar who offered the lime juice to the VRS president when Atta broke his famous fast Telangana in December 2009. Thank Thank you. Next, it will be continued by my team member. I am R. Nandini, student of BA first year. Explain about the topic teaching career of Professor Jaishankar. Professor Jaishankar was registrar of the then Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages before being appointed Vice Chancellor of Kakatiya University in 1991. He taught economics and supervised research at the doctoral level. He made in-depth studies on the problems emanating from regional disparities in the levels of development with special reference to Andhra Pradesh. He has to his credit a large numbers of papers published in the areas of economic development and educational economics. Will be next.
I am Anjay, I am the student of BA second year. Some of many positions held by Professor Jaishankar, Vice Chancellor of Kakatiya University, Warangal, Registrar of Central Institute of English and Foreign Language, Hyderabad, Registrator of Kakatiya University, Warangal, Principal of KCM College, Warangal, Board of Governors Regional Engineering College, Warangal, Planning Board, Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, Kerala. Several working groups constituted by the University Grants Commissioner, Senate, Kakatiya University, Warangal, Academic, Kakatiya University, Warangal, Governing Body, Lal Bahadur College, Warangal, Governing Body, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel College, Secunderabad, Advisory Board, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Some of articles, Professor Jaishankar, unequal distribution of water resources between Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema. Death of Professor Jaishankar. Jaishankar did not marry and remained a bachelor all his life. He died on 21st June 2011, 11:15 a.m. after battling stomach cancer. Thank you.